The steel plate consists of a steel shoe and a cork platen. The steel plate is the platform that the sandpaper belt rubs against on the bottom of the sander. Because of the constant contact with the sandpaper belt, the steel plate will eventually wear out and need to be replaced. The cork plate can break down and wear away from the shoe, which can lead to uneven sanding. Replacing the steel plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt from the belt sander. With the sanding belt removed, I have access to the steel plate. It's held in place with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. And now I can install the new steel plate. I align the holes and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the sanding belt. And that's all it takes to replace the steel plate on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.